Hey guys, today we're gonna talk about best budgeting apps for couples. If you're managing money as a couple, it can be challenging, but the right budgeting app makes it easier. Whether you're splitting expenses, setting saving goals, or combining finances, here are the best budgeting apps for couples. First one, we have Honeydue. Honeydue is a free budgeting app designed specifically for couples. It syncs bank accounts, tracks shared expenses, and categorizes spending automatically. The standout feature is bill reminders and spending limits, so both partners stay on top of finances without nagging each other. Plus, you can choose what to share and keep certain expenses private. On number 2, we have YNAB, which stands for You Need a Budget. If you and your partner want full control over your finances, YNAB is a zero-based budgeting app that assigns every dollar a job. It's great for long-term financial planning, helping couples prioritize spending, avoid debt, and save for big goals. It requires active participation but leads to better financial habits over time. Next up, we have Goodbudget. Goodbudget brings the classic envelope method into a digital age. Couples can create spending categories. You can manually enter expenses and stay within their set limits. Unlike other applications, it doesn't sync with bank accounts, which makes ideal for couples who prefer hands-on tracking over automated expenses categorization. Number 4, we have Zeta. Zeta is designed for couples and supports both shared and individual accounts. It tracks bills, expenses, and saving goals, making it perfect for joint financial planning. And standout feature is split transaction, allowing partners to track and divide expenses easily. Ideal for couples managing joint and separate finances together. And last but not least, we have Mint. Mint is a powerful free budgeting application that syncs all of your bank accounts, automates expense tracking, and provides spending insights. Couples who want a set it and forget it approach will love Mint's automatic categorization, bill reminders, and free credit score monitoring. However, it's not specifically designed for couples, so shared expense tracking may not be as seamless as other options. So, which one is better? Here's a recap. Honeydue is best for shared expenses and transparency, which is also free. YNAB is best for hands-on budgeting and long-term planning, which is paid. Goodbudget is best for envelope budgeting and manual tracking. It also has a free and paid tier. Zeta is best for couples with joint and separate finances. It's also free. And lastly, we have Mint, which is best for automated tracking and insights, which is also free. So which budgeting app do you and your partner use? Let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more fintech comparisons and budgeting tips.